To apply your Spinalogic bone growth stimulator, you first place the center of the oval stimulating coil over your fusion site on your back. Next, use the Velcro waist belt to secure the stimulator comfortably around your body. It is okay to wear the stimulator over clothing and bracing. Once the stimulator is in a comfortable position, use the control unit to turn on the device by pressing and holding the button on the control unit until you hear a beep, which will be about 3 seconds. The 30-minute treatment countdown will now begin and appear on the screen. You can use the clip on the back of the control unit to attach it to the waist belt. It is important to note that you will not feel anything during the stimulation therapy. Once the 30-minute treatment is over, the treatment complete icon will appear as a smiley face on the screen, and the device will beep twice and shut off. We recommend that patients wear their device at the same time each day so they can maximize the effectiveness of the therapy, and this also helps provide a reminder that every time you grab that cup of coffee in the morning or watch the news in the evening, you put your bone growth stimulator on. Another thing that you can do is check your treatment record by pressing the button once without holding it down. The screen will show 2 numbers. The number on the left is the number of treatments you've had, and the number on the right is the number of days since you first used the device. From the first day you use the device, it will work for 270 consecutive days, or 9 months. We instruct patients to wear the stimulator for the full 9 months unless instructed otherwise by their doctor. The Spinalogic will not allow you to wear it more than once in each day, so if you go to turn it on for the second time, it will just show a smiley face and turn off. When it's time to replace your battery, the screen on your control unit will show a picture of a low battery sign when you go to turn it on. The carrying case contains 10 additional 9-volt batteries for your use. Remove the battery cover from the backside of the control unit and install the battery as shown. Then, replace the battery cover on the control unit. Your device is now ready for use. Please only use batteries supplied by DJO rather than lithium batteries or store-bought batteries. If you run out of batteries, contact your rep and they will help supply you with more. Since the Spinalogic bone growth stimulator is indicated for just a single patient use, the stimulator is not reusable and cannot be resold or used on multiple patients. When you've completed your treatment, you can bring your device to a nearby electronic recycling facility. Often stores that sell electronics can take them and recycle them for you. At Optimus Surgical, we take great pride in providing excellent customer service to patients, and we are humbled by the number of 5-star reviews we've received from patients. We will make every effort to ensure you have a 5-star experience and recover quickly after your spinal fusion surgery. We look forward to helping you.